Y'all, these right here, bust. Hot wings. Don't say I ain't put you on nothing. I haven't tried these though. We in here getting some snacks. I got freaking frack with me.
Who you calling frack? I don't know what.
Snack run. I talk about my chips is nasty. They better not ask for nothing. That right there though? Yeah. Those slap. You ran that man off.
That was his fault. She didn't say nothing to me.
Are we about to try? They do stink. What is it called?
It's called
horseradish. All right, let's see. Let's see what they hit on.
I got the tiniest shit. Yeah, these are so good.
Let me get one.
It's
It tastes like steak.
It tastes like a steak.
It tastes like steak.
I don't know if I like it though.
Juice the steak.
It's like a burst of berry flavor.
No,
Like
bro.
it ain't better than the hot wings. I'm about to beat these kids in this game real quick, bruh. Alright y'all, so let's talk. I'm just sitting here and I'm really just reflecting. A lot of times what I like to do is I like to just sit in the quiet and just think about things. Like, one thing that's been on my mind lately is my birthday is coming up. So I'm turning 33 on the 13th of September. And I'm just thinking, like, what do I want to do? How I want to celebrate myself? Like, I'm really just sitting up here just reflecting on life, like, all together, right? I feel like every now and then it's good to just sit back and just kind of chill out and reflect. A lot of times when you have like the TV on, when you have the radio on, you can't really think clearly. And sometimes at night I just get to the point where I just want to just kind of reflect on things, reflect on my life, reflect on different goals that I have set for myself, reflect on everything. I think I've gotten to the point where, like, you know how when people have their birthday coming up, they're always thinking about, oh, I want to plan something, I want to have a party, I want to go to this place, I want to invite these people. I just really haven't been feeling that lately. I haven't been feeling like wanting to celebrate myself in that way. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I just feel like I really feel a change coming in my life, and I'm trying not to get emotional with it, but when I talk about this stuff, it really gets me emotional. Like, I don't understand why, and I don't think people understand when I say this, but I feel a shift. I feel a change coming. Oh, why am I crying? And I feel like it's a good thing. Like, I feel like I'm leveling up. Like, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. But a lot of times I have all these things in my head that I want to do, these goals I have set for myself, and I just get to a point where, okay, how am I going to make that happen for myself, you know? I think it's really good to have a journal, to have a book or something where you can just write these thoughts down, because having them in your head all the time can drive you crazy. Like, it can really have you thinking like, oh my God, my brain, my mind is cluttered and I just need to clear it out, you know? I think it's good for me. I think I'm at a good place right now in my life. Things can only get better from here. I'm really at a point where I'm pushing myself harder than I ever have before. So I feel like in order for me to get to a certain point in my life, or get to where I want to be, and I don't necessarily want to speak that right now, but because I'm just the type of person that, like, I don't like to talk about things before I start them or before they happen. It's best if you keep those things to yourself. You keep your goals, you keep your dreams to yourself until a certain point in your life, because there's nothing anybody can say or do to interfere with what I want to do. There's been a lot of times in my life where I felt like a lot of the decisions that I will make would be for other people. And now I'm at a point in my life where I really just want to make myself happy. And I feel like I'm really on the right track to do that. So just see it from here on out. You see, like, I'm really becoming, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it really feels good to even think about it, to even say that much, you know? If you made it to this part of the video, if you watched the end of this conversation, write in the comments something, leave a comment saying something that you like about yourself. All right, y'all. Good night. All right, y'all. So I decided to look up this scalp detox or a scalp scrub because my hair is in need of a deep cleansing. My scalp is dry and flaky, so I wanted to look up like a little recipe that I can do to cleanse my scalp. So I have a couple things here, and I was able to find that Epsom salt is really good for cleansing your scalp. So when I went to Kroger, I got me some Epsom salt, and then I have this little container that I'm going to be using to put the scrub in. And then I have me some essential oils that I'm going to be using. I'll tell you guys exactly what I'm putting in it, but this is my first time actually making one for myself. So I'm trying to decide if I want to incorporate it into like my self-care type of routine where I do it maybe like twice a month or every couple weeks I do it, you know. So I'm going to be making it, and I'm gonna try it out off camera just to see if I like it. And if I do like it, then I will do another video for you guys if you want to see how I apply it. All right, so let's go ahead and start making it. All right, so first I'm going to start off with my container. This is a 2-ounce container. And then I'm going to scoop, I'm going to say 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in. Oopsie. Let's do 2 more. Oops. All right. Now I'm gonna put like 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil. All right. I think that was like a half of a drop. Let me put like a little bit more tea tree. Tea tree oil is really good for your scalp. All right, now this oil that I'm putting in, it is a mixture of different oils. So it's got sunflower oil, avocado oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, some vitamin E, some jojoba oil, argan oil, rose hip oil, lavender oil, like all that good stuff in here. So I'm gonna do like 3 drops of this. Okay, that was more than 3. What was that, like 5 drops? All right, so I'm gonna do 5 drops. All right, and now I'm gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and pour that on top. I'm gonna pour it until I get the texture that I'm looking for. Again, this is extra virgin olive oil. Let me get something to stir. I'm gonna use the back of a butter knife. I'm just gonna stir that all around until I don't see any more white spots. Like everything is gonna be saturated. And this is how it looks. Feels really good. All right, and there you have it. So I'm gonna try this and let you guys know what I think about it. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know what I think about it and if it really works on my scalp. And then if you like, I can show you a video on how I apply it. But you're supposed to pretty much just part your scalp. Now I've seen people do it on damp hair, but you can also do it on dry hair. But you just part your scalp and gently massage the salt into your hair. And you do that all throughout your head, like doing like little circular motions and gently massaging the scrub onto your hair. All right, so y'all, this is pretty much the end of this vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.